Hi guys, Automotive Control in Bristol. Got with us a Fiat Fiorino today, which is the same as a Citroen Nemo. Fitted with a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS, as you can see there. So this originally had a single DIN radio and a pocket above, which we've now converted to double DIN to fit this unit in. Retained the steering wheel controls. We've added a reverse camera. So these guidelines are adjustable. You can remove them, you can adjust them, which is quite nice. So this unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wireless. All the standard features of CarPlay. Digital radio, FM radio, 3-year warranty. It's a wireless unit, like I said. Units in stock with us. Automotive Control in Bristol, 01790807008. Thank you.